Do you feel off balance, out of sync? Do you want to be centered and enhance your well-being? Then I have a perfect video for you. Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Welcome to Chakra Yoga. Let's take Warrior Two pose, so-called Virabhadrasana B. Four corners of your feet, press them down. Keep your knee 90-degree angle. Back toes slightly in to keep 45-degree angle. Okay, now switch. Try to do the other side. Keep your arms, shoulder in one line. Crown reaching toward the sky. Keep your spine, neck long. Let's sit down and take Baddha Konasana. Knees wide open. The sole of your feet together. Forward fold. Keep breathing. Try to cultivate Ujjayi breath, breathing through the nose, out through the nose. Now hold your legs, and if you can, try to keep your knees straight and release your hands. But if it's too much for you, try to keep holding your knees and work on your core. Keep in Navasana for a while. On your knee and take camel pose, Ustrasana. Shoulder blades together, sternum lifting up. Relax your neck. Try to keep your hips forward to stretch front of your body. Lay down on your back and slowly lifting up your chest to take fish pose. Shoulder blades together, lift up your sternum. Support your body by using your arms. Widen your collarbones. Keep breathing. Enjoy the openness on your chest. Now, slowly bring your chest down. Now, knees open about mat distance. Toes touch. Reach your arms and forehead rest on the mat. Take Balasana, child pose. And inhale, exhale, release. Use your exhale to bring your chest close to the mat. Sit on your heels. Reach the tip of your fingers forward to get maximum stretch. Keep cultivating Ujjayi breath. Keep your neck long. Create space between each vertebra. And release. And let's stand up. Keep your legs wide open. Keep your toes parallel. And exhale, forward fold. Relax neck. However, keep your shoulders away from ears to create space. Tailbone reaching toward the sky. The outer edge of your feet press them down. Very strong firm stance. Inhale halfway up, exhale all the way up. Now toes heels touch. Keep your chest open, take Namaste. This sequence will help you to open up your chakras and enhance your energy. Do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!